I'm Blue Green, and I'm reporting live from the Common Sense Media event Game On. Right now, I'm in the Skylanders Swap Force truck, and this is probably going to be the most busy truck of the whole event, don't you think?
I would think so. This game actually hasn't even come out yet, and the hype behind it is intense. The kids have created a faithful following since the first Skylanders, out to Giants, and now to Swap Force. And so I think they're going to be super excited to be able to actually play the game before it even comes out.
Yeah, my brother, he's going to be here today, and he's going to be all over this truck. He's not going to leave. But what do you think the main difference is between Skylanders Spyro, Adventure, to Giants to Swap Force?
Well, there definitely is a big difference. The gameplay alone has gotten much better. So Activision has done a great job with developing the story and the gameplay throughout all three of the titles. The Giants had the oversized characters, the Giants, that did a little bit different kind of maneuvers and did a little bit more action than the regular Skylanders. The Swap Force took it to the whole nother level. So Swap Force actually allows you to switch out the top with the base of what your character is. So there's over 250 collaborations and combinations that can actually exist. It's pretty awesome.
Yeah, that is crazy cool. Thank you for letting me be here.
Most definitely, Blue Green. Thanks so much.
I'm Blue Green for Kids in the House.